Everyone, my name is Ansh Talreja and I'm here representing from VR Build. Over here we're showcasing some new line of furniture that we have just launched known as the M Space Saving Furniture. So over here the first most portable solution is the stool that we're going to be showing you. So this was the stool before, and as soon as I'm done using it, I can easily shut this and you can carry it around wherever you go. So this is the most portable solution. We feel everyone in the whole market requires something like this.